Hello everybody, I'm Leo, 6 years old. My YouTube channel is Leo TV. And my favorite things are doing Minecraft and doing game and also being a scientist. I also can say Japanese. My YouTube video is gonna start. I am gonna teach you how to do Japanese right now. Play means 遊ぶ. Friends means お友達. Window means 窓. Witch means 魔女. Fish means お魚.
そう。
Doll means 人形.
そう。
I said that it's the fish. I'm sorry. Bag means I forgot.
まあいいや。
Sorry for the video.
It's alright.
The
Just
video-
like my videos.
My video is gonna end right now. I only had 2 videos right now. That's why if you're taking a like on this video, I'll send more videos. When I get better, I'll send a game video. Bye.